Okay, guys, welcome to the Mesh weekly technicals. So we jump into Great British Pound, US dollar. So if we have a look here on the monthly chart, we've got 3 days left until closure. So if we look at structure now on the monthly, price has made this nice clean bullish structure, and we've come back to retest these areas, which is the monthly structure point. And it's also an important area of previous resistance. So at the minute, the monthly chart is looking bullish, and we're coming back to retest this important area. So I'd like to see if price can establish support at this monthly structure point. Then we have the potential for quite a big move to the upside, potential 250 pip move if this is a monthly structure point retest. So we want to watch it on the monthly, but as mentioned, now we have, even though we've got this bullish structure and we've got this potential retest, we can see that these two candles, we've got a nice bullish candle here, but then this next candle, we've got this wick to the upside. So price has opened up, it's come and tapped this area, and now it's pulled back. We have got 3 days till closure on it, but we could potentially see a bearish engulfing, engulfer, right, if it comes down and it closes below here. So still a little bit indecisive on the monthly, bullish, but 3 days till closure. I'd like to see this candle close above where it is now. So if we go down into the weekly, so we're similar to gold. We're bullish on the monthly, but if we look on the weekly here, so we have this pull back into this range, and price, as you can see, yeah, price has made this higher low over here come up, and then we've had this almost a bearish engulfer, which has brought price right back down, and we've not established support at 1.24250 area. Price is absolutely ripped below it. So at the minute, similar to gold, we're making bearish structure, but I'd like to see price come back and to confirm these areas. So if we go down to the daily, see what's happening. We are starting to see. Let me just mark that area on the weekly. That area on the weekly there. So we see on the daily, we're bearish on the daily now. We've started to make these lower lows, lower highs. So around this area of 1.25, as we can see, a lot of resistance stopping price going up through that area. And then as soon as we've established resistance there on the daily, price is broken through this area, which was established as support. And now we've seen this retest here. So this candle here, we show us this big wick to the upside, and then the way price is closed down here. So we have had a bit of a retest, a bit of a confirmation of that area breaking down at 1.24. So we are bearish on GU at the minute. Very choppy price action. So what I'll be looking for on GU at the minute. So basically watching this monthly structure point. So when we open up tomorrow, I'll be waiting to see if price can maintain above this monthly structure point. If it can, and we can see price come back up for the retest of this area, depending on what happens here, if we confirm and come back down, I'll be looking for shorts. Or if we break above this area, I'll be looking to see if price can establish support at that weekly structure point we mentioned, which is around 1.24200. So I'd like to see what happens within this range. So I won't be trading GU at the minute. I'll be waiting to see what happens, to see if we can break above that area or break down below the monthly structure point. But yeah, very choppy at the minute, the market. So build your confidences and use proper risk management before taking trades. GJ.